Small business owner, I know you want to create video content, but you may not be tech savvy, right? Then you want to watch this video. I purposely create this video just for you to show you an easy way to edit your video for free for your small business. Now, let me take you to my computer and walk you step by step on how to do that. Okay, right now I'm at my computer and this is canva.com, canva.com. What you want to see, this is the home page when you come into the Canva, and you can see this purple banner says, what will you design? Now, Canva is my favorite tool that I go to wherever I go for graphics design. But today, it also can edit videos. So now I can edit my stories and my short videos using Canva. And this feature is only available just recently within this week. So let me show you how to do that. First, comes to here, you can see there's this video button. Click on this video. And then you can see there's so many different types of video that you can create, right? A simple normal video, a Facebook video, video message, mobile video, right? You can click on, you can see there's a lot. Yeah, even LinkedIn video ads, TikTok video. If you want to create something like a TikTok video, you can click here. Let's take one example, right? Click here. Now you will come to this page. You can see there's a bottom. Now, if you have edited video before, you know this is the timeline, right? How your video flows. So if you are beginners, it's very simple compared to most of the video editors that I use. Yeah. Now, it also has a lot of templates. Come in here, you can see this is for you, and then TikTok end frame and so on. All you want to see, if you want to be free, just make sure that you choose the free one. Those that are pro means that you get to subscribe to the Canva package. So let's say take one, okay? So if I like, for example, I want to use this one. Okay, so you click in, it can shows you all the clips and template. So let me choose this one. I want this one. So I can take my first frame of video to be something like this. Now you can see I can play this. You can see how it goes. Yeah, it's something simple as that. Now, if I want to replace the video with photos, you can do that too. So the next thing is that the next step, I want to take in, maybe I like this red color, so I just add another page. Yeah. Then all I need is I just need to click this. It comes to here. So step one, prepare this. Now I want to do another one. Step two, prepare this. Step three, do this. Yeah. And then finish. That's it. So I can go back, and then if I want to see, like, for example, the templates, I don't want for you, I just want like TikTok end frame. I can go over here and take a look here, and maybe I will choose something like this. All right, so if I click it wrongly here, I should add another one. I just, okay, undo, I click another one, and then I will click this. Okay, so now basically you can see if I come to the front, yeah, see this cursor over here, I just click it to the front, and then I played it all, and you can see the whole video, how it goes. Yeah, prepare the sauce, then what's next? Now let me show you how to control the timing. Well, let's take a look at the videos. And then, you know, this is like the step one, step two, step three. So if you have video that teaching people like step one, step two, step three, then you can use this. So what I want to do is that I want to control the timing. This is like 5 seconds. You can see this is like 4.7. I just want it to be like, okay, just 2.5 seconds. I click here, and then I just adjust all this to be around like 2.5 seconds. Okay. And 2.5 seconds, and then this is the end. So here, all right. So now I will go to the uploads. Now you can upload your own video. I have upload, like for example here, maybe I just don't need a video. I don't have video. I can just choose the photos I have. Maybe I just choose one. I can, oops, so it's wrong. Let me delete. Let me just pull it again. And I just got like over it. You can see this. It basically is like replacing it. So here, maybe I say how to travel the world for free. Okay, so here I just put my name, something like this. I can pull it down and rearrange it. Yeah, anyway I want just like bend it a bit, also can. Yeah, or I just want this to be smaller and just make it like smaller, something like this. Then I can also add animation to my photos so that it doesn't really become like so boring. Yeah, so here I can put in here, I just want to put something like breathe so that I can give moving something like this. Here then I can change, yeah, step 1, right? Start creating your consulting business. Then step 2, use internet to find international clients. Step 3, then work with the clients and travel for free. Yeah, something like this. Then over here, if you want, then you can just put your videos or change your photos. Okay, I don't have any videos over here. Maybe something like this video, I can put it over here. It's basically just really replace it. Yeah, then I can change all this. Andrew Cheah, right? This is my Instagram and TikTok name handle. Okay, all right. So something like this. This is 6.7 seconds. Maybe I don't need that. I just make it shorter, like 5 seconds. So then here I have my whole video done. You can see this is the video. Right? How simple is that, right? So step 1, step 2, okay, and step 3, and that's it, right? So now you have like 17 seconds of video. So you want to make it shorter for the sake of like the TikTok video, let's say 15 seconds. I'll just make this shorter. Yeah, I just make it like less than 5. So now I just pull this another one. So now I have 14 seconds. So then it's like a video less than 15 seconds. So once I finish, all I need is I just click download here. Come on, download. All right, MP4 videos. Okay. Now, if I have like 2 premium images, so I have to pay like 10 ringgit. So if I take a look, these are most probably the premium images. If you don't need it, you try delete and see. And right now, okay, that is not the premium. Yeah. So I can just like put back up. Okay, so here I found the premium. This is the one. Okay, you can see remove watermarks. If I want to keep it free, I just delete it. And that's another one over here. So I just remove it. Okay, so to make it simple, you want to add the elements, you can always come here and then find other elements as well. Let's say I want to find like arrows. I can find it over here. So there's plenty of arrows over here. So I can choose this one. Then basically I will just move it something like this. Can make it smaller. Yeah. Okay. So something simple like this. If I want to replace the circle, I also can find maybe some animated one. So goes to graphics. There you are. I can find one over here. So I just resize it. And then basically all I need is to move it somewhere here. This one move out a bit. And maybe I'll just like turn that in a bit. Okay. So basically, this is it. Now I can go and download. And you can see now it's totally free. Yeah. So I just click here, download, and then it will download to my computer. Now, I hope you like this video. If you find this useful, just give us a thumbs up. And if you have any question regarding how to use this Canva to do other graphics design, right, do leave it in a comment, and I will try my best to show you step by step how to do it like what I show you today. So once you see this come out, means that the file has been downloaded to your computer. And then that's it, finish. Your video is done. So I hope you learn it and then go and try it. You must practice in order to be able to do all these things, right? So go watch my video again and again, and then you can pause, follow what I do step by step until you can make your first video. Now, Canva is a very powerful tool. I don't earn any money just to promote it, but I use it to do all my social media content. Now, even some of my presentation today, if I want to do a quick presentation, I will use Canva to do that as well. And it's so beautiful. And there's so many other functions. So leave a comment, what do you want to learn? So that I can create a video to show you how to do that. Now, if your friends want to learn about this, share to them. And meanwhile, if you're not subscribed to these channels, we publish contents every week to help small business owners to grow their business online. So click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when we publish every week, you'll be notified. And meanwhile, here's some videos that you can watch to help you grow your business online. And I'm Andrew. I'll see you real soon in my next video.